Hey everyone, it's Akos here from Flow. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm checking out something a little bit different, but honestly super useful, especially now it's freezing outside. This is the Hcalory HBS-2 8 kW diesel heater. It's a portable heater you can use pretty much everywhere, in your car, van, garage, workshop, or even in a small room like this. I've been testing it here at home and also in my car, so I'll show you how it works, how powerful it is, and whether it's worth getting. Let's go! So let's start with the unboxing as usual. So first thing first, inside the box you actually get a lot of stuff. You get the heater itself with a 3.5 liter tank built in, the air outlet pipe, intake and exhaust pipes, power cables, screws and clamps, the remote control, and depending on what version you pick, either the LCD panel or Bluetooth control. Build quality is solid, it feels heavy and well put together, and all the ports and vents are arranged cleanly on one side. Definitely doesn't feel cheap. Now let's speak about the design and the portability. The whole thing is surprisingly portable. It's not huge, it has a nice handle on top, and the design is simple. Plug power in, connect the air outlet, and you're basically ready to go. The cool thing is you can pick between 12 watt, 24 watt, or even a 22-24 watts version. So you can run it from a car battery, a power station, or a wall socket. So it works literally everywhere. Your room, your camper van, your shed, your garage, whatever. Alright, let me run through the features quickly, but in simple terms. It's an 8 kW heater, so it's powerful. The 3.5 liter tanks last ages. On low mode it burns about 0.1 to 0.2 liter an hour. It has auto start and stop, so it heats up and cools down safely on its own. There's a special high altitude mode for up to 5000 meter, so the fuel burns properly even if you are in the mountains. And you can control it in 3 ways: LCD screen, remote and a Bluetooth app, which is honestly the easiest. And setting this up, it was easier than I expected. You plug in the power, attach the air outlet, and the only thing you must do is make sure the exhaust pipe goes outside. That's very important. Now, I'm not burning diesel indoors for the video, obviously, but I have been testing in my car and outside, and then using it in my room with the exhaust going through the window. Works perfectly fine. In the car, this thing heats up insanely fast. Within about 1-2 minutes, you already get warm air. In my room, it took around 3 to 5 minutes before the whole place started warming up. Now let's talk performance. The heat output. The air coming out can reach around 70-90 degrees on max. You can literally feel it across the room. My room was around 11 degrees and it went up to 20 degrees in about 15 minutes. Really solid. The noise, it's not silent, you can hear the fan and the little fuel pump ticking, but on lower settings it's totally fine. I could sleep with it on low. And the fuel use is very efficient. A full 3.5 liter tank can last overnight or even longer, depending on the mode. So let's talk about who is it for and the final verdict. After using this heater both in my room and in the car, here's my final take. This is perfect for everyone who needs reliable heat anywhere. Camping, traveling, warming up a garage or workshop, or even just heating a cold room at home. If you want something portable that doesn't rely on your house electricity, this is honestly a great option. And a huge thanks to Banggood to sending me this product out for a review and sponsoring this video. I left the link down in the description so you can check it out for yourself. And do I recommend it? Absolutely. Powerful, it's efficient, and it just works exactly how you'd expect. It was Akos from Flow. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you in the next one.